What's going on, my good people? It's your big homie Leonard coming back again with another video, man. And today I finna present to y'all the Air Jordan 12 playoffs. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I've been wanting this shoe to retro for so long, man, and I'm so thankful that Nike and Jordan brand have finally heard my cry. They back. They back. Now, before we dive into this video, man, make sure you smash that like button for your boy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay tapped in for any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. Now, ever since I had this shoe in hand, man, I've been really marveling over this shoe, man. I can't stop looking at it, man. It is a beautiful shoe, especially when it's dead stock, man. You already know when people start wearing it, the white start getting dirty, man. The shoe just ain't it no more, man. So you gotta be very, very careful with wearing this shoe. I'm not gonna be rocking this shoe too much, man. Like I stated in another video, I'm only copying things that's sentimental to me, or things that I missed out on, or things that I want back. I'm not really copying nothing new this year, man. And this is one of the things that I want to reach back and get, man. I already have the flu games, as well as the Texas, man. And I'm done with 12s. Like, these are all the 12s I want. I wouldn't mind trying to find the cherries in great condition. I'd rather have them dead stock, man, but as far as 12 go, man, I'm done. This the last one I wanted, man. I'm so glad they retroed these, man. Your boy got a hand on this pair early to review to y'all, man. Now, as far as release date goes, man, I have heard that this been pushed back to March, but I went to a couple retailers, you know what I'm saying, trying to work my magic, you feel me? And they already got their pairs in hand, man. And they said, as far as they know, it's still releasing in February. So I don't know what's really going on with this release date, man. Personally, it don't matter to me because I already got them in hand, man. But I don't know what's going on with release date, man. And if you do know, please drop it in the comments, man, so we can let everybody in the community know. I don't know what's going on. Now, to all my resellers out there, man, this shoe right now is hovering around 360. Couple sizes going for 370, man. I think this shoe will drop just a little bit when it releases, but I don't think it's gonna stay low for long because it's tax time. People's tax checks is rolling in, and people got a bag to spend. You hear me? Now, to all my people that like to wear their shoes, man, should you cop early? I don't know, man. I don't know. It depends on what's going for, man. It depends on what these resellers out here selling it for. I know at the store we selling these for around 400. I can't even count to you, man. I think we got one size left, and that's a size 9. But yeah, man, you gotta just check your local market, man. Check the apps as well. But are they worth trying to cop early? I don't know, man. Are they worth paying resale? Yeah. Now, for all the people that's copping to rock them, be advised, man. Once this get dirty, it gets nasty, bro. The whole shoe is just gone. I don't care how clean it is on top of here. Once this little trim around here gets dirty, this shoe is over with, man. So I advise y'all, man, when y'all wear this shoe, be mindful where y'all wear this, man, because it's just gonna throw your whole fit off, man. I'm telling y'all. Just word of advice. If you don't believe me, ask somebody who had the playoffs in the past, man. They will tell you. But anyway, man, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and dive into the shoe. We're gonna start off with the box. We got your regular standard Jordan 12 box. And the colorway reads black, varsity red, and white. Now, I did get a 10.5, man. My true size is 11. I think 12s kind of run a little big, man, so I go ahead and cut it down a half size so I get that perfect fit. That's just a word of advice for anybody who never owned a pair of 12s, man. If I was y'all, I would go down half a size, but that's just me personally. Now, looking at the upper, man, you got an all black leather that's tumbled beautifully. I think this tumbled leather gives this shoe a lot of character, man. I just Love the tumble on this shoe. Staying on the upper, man, you also got a tumble leather tongue that reads 2-3 in white stitching, as well as a red Jumpman. Now, looking on the side, it do have your silver eyelets, which I think is a beautiful touch. Going to the midfoot of this shoe, man, you can see it comes in your all white with the snakeskin reptile pattern. Also come with your silver Jumpman panel on the midfoot. Headed to the bottom of the shoe, man, as you can see, like I said, it's all white with your 2 traction pads. Got a red tab that reads 23, as well as a black Jumpman on the forefoot. Headed to the back of the shoe, man, you got your pull tab that reads quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and that is a fact, and no arguing about that. I don't care about what y'all LeBron fans say. Michael Jordan is the greatest player to ever touch a basketball, and that is 100% fact. Argue with your mama. Now, below the pull tab, as you can see on the heel, you got 23 indented inside the shoe, painted in red. Now, taking a look on the inside of the shoe, of course, you got your black padding, and on the insole, it have a red Jumpman in it. I don't know if you can see it, but take my word for it, it's red. Now, would I put this colorway as #1 in the 12 silhouette? I wouldn't. Me personally, I favor the Taxis. I think the Taxis is the best 12 of all time. Next will be the Flu Games. Then it'll be the Playoffs, and then it'll be the Cherry. My opinion, if you don't like it, argue with your mom. But yeah, man, that wraps up my video for today. Ain't too much else to talk about. The shoe, man, it's a black and white shoe. Like I said, be careful when you're wearing this shoe, because once it gets dirty, it's over with. I'm telling y'all now, if you don't take my word for it, man, you're gonna regret it later, man. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button for your boy, and don't forget to follow me on IG at BigHomie_Leonard. That's LNRD. Until next time, man, I'm out of here.